This charger does not fit. Excuse me, I bought this charger here yesterday, but it does not fit my laptop.
Oh, really? Let me take a look at it.
Here it is. The plug is too big for the port.
That is strange. What is the brand of your laptop?
It is a Dell laptop. I bought it last month.
And this charger you have, let me check the box.
I think the shop assistant gave me the wrong one.
Do you remember which charger you asked for?
I asked for a charger for a Dell laptop, size 13 inches.
I see the problem now. This charger is for a different laptop model.
Oh no, so it is not compatible.
No, it is not. The connector shape is different.
That is frustrating. I need my laptop for work tomorrow.
Don't worry, we can fix this today.
Really? How?
First, let's find the correct charger for your laptop.
Okay, what information do you need?
Can I see the model number on your laptop?
Yes, 1 second. It is here on the bottom.
Thank you. Let me check our system.
Take your time.
Okay, I found it. Your laptop needs a 65-watt charger.
Is that different from this one?
Yes, this one is 45 watts and the plug shape is smaller.
I didn't know there were different sizes.
Yes, chargers can be different in power and connector type.
That makes sense now.
Do you want the exact same brand or is a compatible one okay?
What is the difference?
The original brand charger is more expensive, but it is guaranteed to work perfectly.
And the other one?
The compatible charger is cheaper, but the quality can vary.
How much is the original one?
It is $45.
And the compatible one?
That one is $25.
That's a big difference.
Yes, but both come with a 1-year warranty.
Okay, let me think for a moment.
Sure, take your time.
Do you have the original one in stock right now?
Let me check. Actually, we don't have it in black.
Oh no! What colors do you have?
We have white and gray.
I really wanted black to match my laptop.
I understand. We can order the black one for you.
How long would that take?
It usually takes 3 to 5 days.
That is too long. I need it for tomorrow.
I understand. In that case, maybe the compatible charger is a better option today.
Do you have that one in black?
Yes, we have it in black and white.
Great, I will take the black one then.
Good choice. Let me get one from the back.
Thank you.
Here you go. Would you like to test it before you leave?
Yes, please. I want to make sure it works.
No problem. There is an outlet right here.
Okay, let me plug it in.
Does the light turn on?
Yes, it's charging now.
Perfect. That means it's working correctly.
That's a relief.
I'm glad we found a solution.
Me too. Now what about the old charger?
Since it was our mistake, we can give you a full refund.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I will process the refund now.
How will I get my money back?
Since you paid by card, the refund will go back to the same card.
How long will that take?
Usually 2 to 3 business days.
Okay, that sounds fine.
All right, the refund is done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. I'm sorry about the mistake yesterday.
It's okay, these things happen.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. Do you sell laptop bags too?
Yes, we have a small section over there.
Can you show me?
Of course. Follow me.
I need something for a 13-inch laptop.
This one here fits 13 to 14-inch laptops.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It is $20.
Do you have it in a different color? I don't like gray.
Yes, We also have navy blue and black.
I'll take the black one, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
No, that's everything for today.
Okay, let's go to the counter.
How much is the total?
The charger is $25 and the bag is $20. That's $45 total.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sure?
Okay, the payment is complete. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Here is your charger and your bag.
Perfect. Now I can finish my work tonight.
I'm happy we could solve the problem.
Me too. You were very helpful.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. See you next time.
See you. Take care.